Hi friends. Today, I'm excited to guide you through a quick walkthrough of Benable. Right here in the store section, you'll notice over 37,000 brand partners. Honestly, I haven't even heard of 90% of them. On the right, you see numbers like 10% or 20%. This indicates the commission you'll earn if someone makes a purchase from your list. You can filter by categories. And one of my favorites is the business category because they often have higher affiliate offers. The key here is to be strategic. Think about products or services you're familiar with, or have a keen interest in. This is my dashboard. It's where you can track followers, see who you're following, connect your socials, and of course, create those lucrative lists. Let's create a list. I'm naming it Home Depot Summer Decor for Porches. Keeping it specific is key. Within each list, you can create sections, like chairs or rugs, to stay organized. For this demonstration, I'm searching for an outdoor rug. You can either manually input a specific URL or let Benable find options for you. Always ensure your affiliate link toggle is on. This is how you'll earn those commissions. When filling out the details, be specific. For this rug, I've mentioned it's a black and white outdoor rug from Home Depot. Adding a personal note can make a difference. So be genuine. A crucial tip, always add an affiliate disclosure at the top of your boards. It's a requirement by the FTC and ensures transparency. Once you're done, you can easily share your list using the share button. Share with friends, family, or your followers. One of the game changers for Benable is their Chrome extension. It simplifies the process. Using this extension, I'm directly on Home Depot's site. After choosing a product, just click on the Benable Chrome extension icon. One thing I love to do daily is explore the Discover page. It's a goldmine of ideas, and you can support other Benable users too. Benable is a powerful platform for affiliate marketing. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, it's a fantastic tool. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Dive in, explore, and start earning.